Hey guys, welcome to Two Modern Vegans. It's your boy Carlos, and I'm back with another amazing recipe. Today we're going to be making vegan chicken and rice, also known as Arroz con Pollo. And real quick, before I forget, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell so this way you're notified every time we release a new video. You guys are gonna love this recipe. It's very well seasoned, and don't worry, you don't need any Goya around here or any of that store-bought stuff to make this. You can make this all homemade and it tastes much better anyway. The brand of vegan chicken that we used for this recipe is called Alpha Food. It's super delicious. So for the chicken, you can honestly use any chicken substitute you choose. You can use mushrooms, you can use cauliflower, you can use seitan. It really doesn't matter what you choose to use as the chicken replacement. This recipe is just super versatile, so you can use your favorite one, but we highly recommend the Alpha Foods chicken strip. And enough chit chat, let's get into the recipe, and here are the ingredients you're gonna need.
Alright guys, so we're going to start off with these plant-based chicken strips. We're going to add them to a medium-sized bowl, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, our adobo spice blend, and we're going to give that a good stir to make sure each piece of vegan chicken is covered with the seasoning. And we're going to set that aside. We're going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a medium-sized pan, and we're going to add our vegan chicken pieces, and we're going to brown it. We're going to cook it until each side of the chicken is brown. And once it's done, it should basically look something like this, and we're just going to put it in a separate bowl and put it to the side. Now we're going to work on our rice. In the same pot, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 medium red onion, 1 jalapeno pepper finely diced, 6 garlic cloves, a half a cup of cilantro, and we're going to give that a good stir, and we're going to cook it down until it becomes fragrant. Next, we're going to add in our sofrito spice blend, and we're going to give that a good stir as well. Then we're going to add in 1 cup of pigeon peas. It can be frozen or canned, or it can be fresh. We're going to also add in a half a cup of pitted olives. And 2 cups of tomato sauce. Along with that, we're going to add in an additional 2 cups of water. And this is going to be our base for the rice. And once we add that all in, we're going to stir it up, and we're going to let this come to a boil. And we're going to add in a little bit of salt to taste. So once this comes to a boil, it is now time for us to add our rice. We're going to add in 2 cups of rice, and we're going to stir that up and make sure that each grain of rice is covered with our sauce. Once that's completed, we're going to begin adding in our chicken. We're just going to top the rice with the chicken, and we're going to let that cook down together. Okay, so it basically should look something like this. It's not too complicated. Once you add the chicken, you're just going to cover it with a tight fitting lid so that the steam can cook the rice. And it basically should look something like this. I went ahead with my fork and I began to fluff the rice. But if your rice is still not completely cooked, you may need to steam it a little bit more. So you can add a little bit of water at a time and then cover it with foil paper, because the foil paper will help the steam build up and soften the rice grains. So it basically should look something like this when it's complete, you guys. We've just squeezed some limes on top. It is so delicious. I hope that you guys enjoy it as much as we did.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys loved this recipe. And if you did, please like, share, and comment. Make sure you watch some of our other recipes if you haven't. We just reached over 9,000 subscribers. We can't thank you guys enough. This really means a lot to us, okay? And we don't take it for granted. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye.